Hi everyone! So we are here at Japan! Sa Japan na kami, guys. Stop na. Let's go. Ano makikita dyan? Hi everyone! So we are here at Miyako. Okinawa, Japan na lang. Para maikli lang. So magdi-disembark na kami to Japan! Okay, may kasama po kaming Japanese citizen. Kaya po kami nandito nakapila. We are here at Hirara Port. We'll pass by immigration in Japan. First order of business. Yung hot. This is our favorite, the hot latte in the vending machine. And this is my milk tea, cold milk tea.
Is one of the 11 cities of Okinawa Prefecture. Okinawa Prefecture is like the provinces in your country.
Yeah, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Visayas?
Visayas.
Okay, yes. That's good enough.
We have 7,107 islands. But when it's low tide,
So all of the islands, the population.
no, not really, right? Not really, no.
In Okinawa, geographically, 700 islands, small and large. But only 50 islands are populated.
So guys, let's go! Naka-boots tayo sa beach. So mamaya pupunta kami doon sa bridge na yung mahaba. As you can see, ito yung Miyako-Koyima Island, tapos pupunta sa kabilang island. Sarap, ang lamig. Lamig ng hangin. I love it.
Sa States, di ba? So, 2 oras sila naghintay ay nagpumila para bumili ng Don Quixote. Ang ending, iiwan ng bus, iniwan lahat ng pinabili.
Iwan ang... sabi mo kasi mahaba pila sa taxi. Ay, mahaba nga. Oo. Okay, so babalik na kami sa ship namin. And we are going to Taiwan for 2 days.
One eternity later.
He would always initiate that. Before she starts our day, we start our day. Ako naman po, pag aalis siya ng bahay, I would tell him that love, I pray for you today, na lahat ng mga makakasalamungha mo, makakausap mo. It feels different when we start our days that way. So, hindi po siya natural.
Guys, it's my second time here in Taiwan. First time ko kasama si Kalel at ang aking best friend, si Renee. Namiss ko na. At si Rico, second time niya sa Taiwan, pero first time niya sa Taipei. Kasi dati sa Taichung lang siya. sulat. Okay, yeah, sure. Bibili ka ng lantern. It's 350 pesos for 8 colors. And then, ilalagay mo lahat ng prayer mo. O, tsaka mga ninyong anak namin. Oh. Ganda. Ay, tumulo. Ganun pala siya. Okay guys, so hindi namin nakakalimutan ang hindi mag-gym. Maglakad na maglakad, kumain ng kumain, at mag-gym. So we're here at Keelung. And, okay, kain ng kain, pero nag-workout. BBA Moto Club represent. Okay guys, so meron ditong biglaang sumasayaw yung mga waiter, nakakatuwa.
May pagkain. Go!
Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Until the skies are all safe and all you need to do.
Hi guys! Order a drink, charot. Sir, what do you want to drink? Mga kalahi mo, oh.